Welcome back to the Randomboxunbox channel one more time. If you are new to this channel and enjoy our videos, please feel free to like and subscribe. We're aiming to grow this channel to give back to the community. So without further ado, this is your boy Sky. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so I have another special keycap here. I actually bought this from a Chinese seller on AliExpress. I'll leave all the links down below. And this is an artisan keycap. I like the packaging, I thought it was pretty cool. At least it doesn't let us crash. Alright, let's put that to the side. Alright, would you look at this? How nice. How cool this is. So it's these are handmade resin keycaps, and guys, the amount of work that they put into these little keycaps is insane. All of this is done by hand. So let me get there closer so you all can see. This is supposed to be kind of like a mountain, top of a mountain with the ice. I thought this is really cool, and it's a nice addition to any Cherry MX keyboard. Remember that it has to be compatible. So I really hope you guys like this, and if you look up any videos of how they make these keycaps, you'll understand why they are not cheap and how much time they actually put into these. So let's actually go ahead and put this into the keyboard and see how it looks. And these are actually translucent as well, so the light from your keyboard will actually have some effect on it. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to place this one right over here next to my other resin keycap, which is a frozen heart. I also have a review up for that one on the channel. Feel free to take a look at it, and that actually looks pretty cool. So let me try and increase the lighting on the keyboard. So you see it has somewhat of an effect on it. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. I'm going to keep bringing these custom keycaps and much more to the channel as we grow. Thank you so much for your love and support. I hope to see you guys in the next time.